Nobody is going into signing these contracts now because the heat is already felt.
Twak podhi nyime ewi nonro mar kuo penj mar KCSE mahiga mokalo. Kawuono komiti mochung'ne weche somo od bura mamalo romo kod apisas mawuok e apisi mano mar jomin buche ODPP kachiel kod apisas moko mag Doho. Jatafwa moro Jutho Mondi luonwa twak matimore e boma ma Nairobi kendo atudre kode achiel kachiel nyakora Mgajwang' mondo onyiswa mago madhi mbele. Ang' watude kod Jutho Mondi bang'e nyakora Mgajwang'.
Tabled before this committee a list of 10 concluded cases and a list of 15 that are pending. But a keen observation of the concluded cases, out of those concluded, 10 were withdrawn. Meaning they were concluded because they were withdrawn. Meaning only 5 of them were actually determined.
Teachers and schools have a stake in this. Schools are very protective over their schools, and even KNEC is protective over its officers. And one of the reasons why many cases are being withdrawn or they take very long is that when there is exam cheating and we report in the newspapers, the matter is very hot. But with time, these people are very reluctant to come to court to give evidence. And without evidence, we cannot get a conviction. And in most cases, and we can show data, most cases that we withdraw are cases that we have looked for the witnesses many times until we are given notice by the judiciary that if we cannot proceed, then we have to withdraw. And that is why we are withdrawing under Section 87, which allows us to come back should we be able to mend the case.